How to change payment method on App Store on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your App Store. Here we go. At the top right corner, you can find your profile icon. Tap on it. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now at the very top, you can find your iCloud account. Open that. You will land to this kind of page. Over here, you will find different options. Head towards the option Manage Payments. Open it. Now over here you will find all the available payment method. Also you will find this option of add payment method. You have to tap on that option. From here you can provide your payment details. You can select your credit or debit card and then type in your number, expire, CVV. After you fill this, you can tap on this option of done given at the top right corner, and with that your payment method will be changed. So this is how you can easily change payment method on App Store on iPhone. This was very simple and quick process. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.